In front of me is INFINIX Zero and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Password and Security. Then scroll all the way down and hit AppLock. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And hit Link or Skip in the Link Account pop-up. Now just click on the Open padlock next to one of your apps that you wish to lock. So when I go back and try to access this app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable AppLock from this app, click on the same AppLock settings, enter your pattern and tap on Now Close Padlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!